start our day by offering prayer to the Switzerland Islands. I request all of you to start singing.
India's football team to play international friendly against Malaysia in Hyderabad on November 18th. International news. IPL 2025 Hardik Pandya continues his Mumbai Indians captain. Thank you.
For my friend, Vishal to deliver a state export news.
Virat Kohli, Babar Azam to play in same team, then tournament may return after 2 decades. Thank you.
My name is Shankana from Hazel. Now I am going to tell a poem on what is life. Life is an opportunity benefit from it. Life is a dream realizing. Life is a game playing. Life is a duty completing. Life is a bliss tasting. Life is a challenge meeting. Life is a sorrow overcoming. Life is a tragedy confronted. Life is an adventure daring. Life is luck, make it. Life is too precious, do not destroy it. Life is life, fight for it. Thank you, have a wonderful Wednesday.
My friend Vaidinath to tell a speech on science.
My name is K. Vaidinath from grade 5 results. Today I am going to tell a speech on solar energy. We get solar energy from the sunlight. Solar energy is the renewable sources. In the future, the cars and electricity are run by solar energy. Solar energy runs on white speed. The sun remains. Solar energy is a pollution
Social science has social science has sub-disciplines or branches, and the distinguishing lines on both of them are ambiguous and arbitrary. Thank you.
And I will take say speech on success.
Present here. Let me begin my speech by asking a riddle. A person is doing continuously work in a focused and concentrating way. What he or she is getting at the end? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. So today I am going to say a speech on success. Success can be viewed as a measure of satisfaction and happiness that you have in the middle part of your life. Success doesn't have any course of events. For example, it doesn't make a difference in what you are in the past. It is important what you are in the present. To get successful in your life, most importantly, you need to set your objectives. Those things will help you in making progress. So I request you all to be focused and concentrate on your work, and success will be yours. I hope all the SRB students will become the successful leaders or person in the future. Thank you. Have a good day.